Hey, good morning, you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mahira. So, today I will be updating you on the progress of my daughter's house. I am the exterior as well as the interior designer of this house. My daughter so kindly entrusted me to do these things for her, so let's do this together. So I'm gonna do an empty house tour now. So this is the gate. We made provision here for the planter boxes. She wants to put in little flowers and things there. There's my husband, Mr. Marhan. Here we buried our a house dog, Scooby, house pet. Scooby was his name. Yeah, and this is just the backyard, the side courtyard for the kitchen area inside. And yeah, this is the garage. She chose this white paint and then little lights on both sides. And here we have the beautiful stonework on the house. We will in future cover that whole wall. So this is the little stoop in the foyer, and this side is the lounge with its sliding door. And yeah, it is it's a good looking and cozy little house. It's not bad. Here we have the foyer. This is what like the dining area. Yeah. And then this is the lounge area overview. Yeah, this is just an empty house tour, but the house is quite dirty, you guys. The builders left it with builders residue and everything just like it. We still have to clean it out. And yeah, this is the kitchen. She already has a stove in here, drawers, and then a little prep sink with the black faucet. And then just next to the garage door is just the display unit with the eye level oven and the microwave space. Okay, and just like a prep thing here. And then we come into the scullery with the dog bath. Yeah, she still needs a lot of units here. This is the scullery. Dishes will be done there, and then there is space for the washer and dryer. So let's move on. This hallway is big, you guys. It's big. So here we have the first bathroom. Bedroom, first bedroom. Second bedroom. No closets. Master bedroom. We have the same wall color, a light gray all over the walls, in the same type of tile. Then here we have the master bathroom. She opted only to have one sink. Toilet and the hot tub is here. The guys still need to come and finish up here with the is it the caulking or what do you call it? It needs a good clean. It's just like the builders left it, like the residue, builders residue and stuff. This is a closet, the indoor closet. We still need to replace all the lights in here. This is just standard lights of the contractors, the building contractor. So we have to remove all these things. We have to touch up and sand it down, make it nice again. All these things, we have to close that hole and clean it up a bit. So yeah, this is a closet space. Needs a little bit of touching up on it. Yeah. The contractors handed over the keys a couple of 3 months ago, and then the house was finished since then, and just sitting like this. We still need to put in the air conditioning and alarm system, as well as the burglar bars and the security fence, electric fence outside. And she needs to put in the paving and stuff like that. This is a safe neighborhood. It's not a bad area, but security is of utmost importance to us, since we will be staying alone in this house.